amazing. You could tell a lot of people are back on campus because when the bells change, there's enough people to stop traffic, which, is always a good sign.
Feels really exciting, and it's very nice to see people kind of back to normal and reminiscing the time from first year. So it's kind of nice to be back and see everything open again, or most of the things. Yeah.
I'm really excited to start learning in person. I feel like we've kind of been missing out on this whole university experience that you see in like movies and TV shows that I was excited to start up in September. Obviously we didn't get that, but now it feels like it's a real experience that we kind of get to have. Seeing all your peers and the teachers in person, although there are still some restrictions, it's really great being able to have that kind of momentum to start this new semester.
I feel really excited to be back to campus today. I'm excited to experience lectures in person with a more dynamic environment and to finally hold events on campus.
Well, I'm excited to see my peers from first year for a lot of workshops and libraries to be open again, which we did not have access for the past 2 years.
I would definitely tell them to pack a snack because you get hungry and sometimes you don't have enough time in between classes to run and get some food. So even just a granola bar or some trail mix to go in between class would be really great.
My advice to first and second years who are coming to campus for the first time in their undergraduate careers would be to take a look at your schedules and get organized. It's a very different environment from taking a lecture from laptop in bed to being on time in person. So I think you will have a lot of fun on campus once you get organized and can experience the campus for all it has to offer.
The advice I have for students would probably be, if you want to get coffee or any food, get it on the hour. Don't get it during class change.
Definitely try to be on top of your lectures. Don't fall behind. Try to go to all your lectures as much as possible because it's very easy to fall behind and then it's gonna accumulate. So always try to be on top of your studies.